The sideways roll, the most important parkour roll that you'll be learning in this whole entire academy. It's actually more important than the shoulder roll, which we'll be learning after. So let's break straight into it. Step 1, if you're rolling that way, you want to make sure that your feet are facing sideways. So we're going that direction, but your feet are facing that way. Step 2, your hands are super important. We're going to do the triangle method. Triangles go onto the floor because if your hands aren't there, the second thing that's going to hit the floor is your face. We do not want this. So, sideways position, triangle, hands on the floor, getting ready to roll. Step number 3, when you're on the floor with your triangle, the most important thing is that we do not go over our head. Our head never touches the floor. This is a sideways roll, so we want to make sure that we're going over our back. And so when you're on the floor like this, you're going to drop your elbow, roll over into the upside down position, and then keep going. You should always exit sideways. If you're exiting forward, you're doing it wrong. Just make sure that you're going over your back more. So remember, once you're in sideways, triangle on the floor, roll over your back, you should still be sideways. Sideways in, sideways finish.
Let's go! Real quick, if you're loving all of this, but you want to take your parkour to the next level, then I've got something for you. Parkour360 Academy. Inside, you'll find the world's largest online parkour library to master the art of movement. You'll also get instant access to our global parkour challenge called Skill Quest. More importantly, you'll find other parkour athletes to connect with, access the global parkour spot map, and learn from other tracers with years of parkour experience. If you're a beginner looking to get started for the first time, or a seasoned parkour athlete to go professional, you're in the right place. Click join to get started for free, and we'll see you on the inside. So get out there, train hard, and play differently. Let's go.